Today we're going to be replacing the steering wheel on my R32 GT-R. This is called the Neo Actis from Personal. I've had the steering wheel for more than 2 years now, but the issue with the steering wheel is that the diameter is way too small. It measures out at 330 millimeters and I cannot see some of my gauges in the back. So here's the replacement. This model is called the Blitz 350 and the one that I currently have is called the Neo Actis. So let's go ahead and unbox and compare. But I must say I really like the design of this box. You can see all the race car drivers, and I guess this is all the years that they've won. Alright guys, well, first impression, the quality and the design of the steering wheel looks really good. The leather is matte. It's because it's brand new and it's not worn in. Once I start using this in the next couple of months or years, this leather will be shiny, just like the Neo Actis. But yeah, so far it looks pretty good and pretty well built as well. And I really like the red stitching instead of the yellow stitching. And I think this will match the GT-R a lot better. Right, and check this out guys. This is a GT-R bag I got from AliExpress. And the reason why I got this bag is to store my steering wheel. And my steering wheel has a Workspell quick release hub. So I can detach this from my GT-R and then store it inside this bag to safekeep and to carry it along with me. But the reason why I took it out is to see whether or not it fits this. And there you have it. It fits perfectly. And guys, if you're interested, I'll be linking the link to buy this bag and the steering wheel into the link below. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the quick release and install it onto the new steering wheel. Alright guys, well there you have it. The Personal Blitz steering wheel. It was like it was made for the R32 GT-R. The diameter of 350 millimeters was perfect for the car. Now the Neo Actis at 330 millimeters was way too small. It obstructed some of the gauges in the back. And the original R32 GT-R steering wheel is way too big, measuring out at 370 millimeters. So guys, here are my closing thoughts. First, the material. Both are made of real leather, which not only looks nice and premium, but also feels great to the touch. I would say it feels better than the E92 M3 steering wheel. With leather, it will develop a patina over time, especially areas where you touch the wheel, as the oil from your skin will transfer to the leather, making it shinier. For the Personal Blitz, you can either get leather or polyurethane, but polyurethane looks too cheap judging by the photos. The bolstering where you grip at 9 and 3 o'clock is great, including the smaller bolstering at the bottom at 8 and 4 o'clock as well, because it feels natural when you're gripping here. The thickness of this wheel is just perfect, measuring at 35 millimeters, so the same as the Neo Actis, thicker than the MR2, MRS, and Evos, where they're at 30 millimeters in thickness, but less than the M3 E92 measuring at 40 millimeters. I thought that this was also the right size. And finally, I love the design of the stitching around the inner rim and the seams at the four corners of the wheel. Now on to the durability. I can speak of the Neo Actis as I've had the steering wheel for more than 2 years. It has held up really well. The Blitz is exactly the same in every aspect of the Neo Actis, minus the color of the stitching and horn button, and the available options for the diameter. So with this, I am assuming that the Blitz will hold up just as well as the Neo Actis. And to wrap things up, for me personally, the Personal Blitz checked all of my boxes. It looks great with the design and the red stitching. The material is top notch. It has the proper diameter of 350 millimeters to suit the cockpit of the R32 GT-R, and I personally like the steering wheel compared to any of my other cars. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. If you guys have any comments or any kind of questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.